Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sadik. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Wikidata item from scratch. To do that, you go to www.wikidata.org. Then you click, once you are there, you click on login, and then you enter your username and password. This can be your Wikipedia username and password. As you can always use it to log into any of the Wikimedia projects. So once you are here, you click on login. Okay. So when you log in, you first of all need to look for the person you are creating the item. So you Google the person's name to get all the information that you need about the person. In this video, I'm going to create an item for Abdul Nasir Mahmoud Jibril, also known as Afa Takfirli in Dagbani. So you just search the person's name here to see if he already exists. Okay. Okay. So Wikidata says there is no item like that, and I can click here to create a new one. Or you can simply come here at the left hand side, you see create a new item. So whichever way you choose, so I click on create a new item, and you scroll down, you see the label in English, which is the name of the item you are creating, and then you would see the description for English. So it will be um, yeah, actor. Okay, so he's an actor and comedian. So here with the alias, you can put his name, like the other name that he's known for. So I'll just put Afar Takfirli, Afar Takfirli. Yeah. So once you have added your alias, you just click create. Yeah. So we have created our item like that for Afar Takfirli. And then as in the first video, I showed you how you can add labels and descriptions in Dagbani after adding that to your user page. So to do that, you simply need to click on edit here, then you write the name in Dagbani, how the Wikidata will call him in Dagbani. So it still remains the same. For the description in Dagbani, Mulakati Amboso, Onyala, to Ghana, Asa, Fihili, Lana. Mbabang whether bango in Dagbani ma nung vingara ba di banong ba na kama ibang na board ng subshell ma. So yeah, this is how you add it in Dagbani, so data will be able to call him or describe him in Dagbani. Yeah, so once you are done with description and label, you simply go and click publish. Yes. So with publish, you are able to add the label and description. Now we need to add more statement as we are supposed to do for the purpose of the contest. So instance of, it's a human. Always make sure you read the little description below that to know that you are writing the right thing. So instance of human, click on publish. You could add a reference if you have an information on him. And you also click to move to a next um, to add more statement. You click on add statements. You can add something about his gender. We know that he's a male. Then you select male, then you click on publish. So each time you add a statement, you need to publish. So we add another statement, occupation. So we write actor, then you publish. Then you may want to add his date of birth, but because we don't know his date of birth, I can simply add a date of birth statement and then come here to use unknown value. Always click on the three boxes here and you select unknown value, then click on publish. So that has been published as well. So, but for you see some notification here, which means you need to provide a reference. But anytime you find an exact date of birth, just come and click on edit and add it. So you can move ahead and add something like his country of citizenship. Country of citizenship is what, Ghana. Always look at the description here to be sure that you are putting the right thing. So a sovereign state in West Africa. Select that and click on publish. After that, you could add another statement again, place of birth as the contest demand. We ask you to add his place of birth. Here we put Tamale. All these things you need to do a Google search to have all the information before you add them here. So I said publish, then I can still. So place of birth too, you need to add a reference because it is important. Things like date of birth, place of birth, ethnic group, you need to add a reference to that. To add a reference, as I showed in the previous video, I'll not do that now, but you just click on add a reference, you search reference URL, you see reference URL here, then you paste the URL that you can find the information. And so you Google it, make sure that you are getting the information from a trusted source, then copy the URL or the link and come and paste it here. So in this video, I'm not going to add a reference, so I'll go ahead and remove it. Then we need to add another statement again. We could add focus Wikimedia project. On focus list of Wikimedia projects. So here there is an item called My Northern Achiever, that is the contest. So you just go ahead and type My Northern Achiever. So there you go. You select that, click on publish. Yes. So in this video, I've showed you how to, add statements to Wikidata item. So I removed the place of bed. I need to put that back. Place of bed. Um, yeah, thank you so much. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to get back to me. Thank you so much. I'll see you again some other time. Until then, bye.